Hello guys, this is YouTube and welcome to my channel Science and Environment News. Engineer creative plant that glow. Illumination of a nanobiolic plants might one day replace some electric lights across the streets. The Massachusetts Institute of Technology, by enabling nanoparticles into a relieve the watercress, and an engineer have include the plant it glow of dim light by nearly 4 hours. They believe the engineered plant will one day be bright enough to ask bright enough as to desk lamp and street lights. Illumination of a book with an oblique light image plants, and the book and the light images watercresses plants were placed in the front of a reflective paper to increase the influence from the light emitted plants to a book pages. The image that instead of switching on the lamp when it gets dark, you will read a light of a glowing from the desk. MIT engineers have taken a critical first step towards making the vision to a reality by enabling this specialize the nanoparticle into the leaves of the watercress plant. They include the plants to give a dim light of nearly by 4 hours. They believe that the further optimization such as plant will be one day the bright enough to illuminate a workplace. The vision is to make a plant that function as a desk lamp, and a lamp that you don't have to plug in, a light ultimately powered energy metabolism and the plant itself. They Michael Strano and the Carbon P. the best of professor of a chemical engineer at MIT, senior author of a study. This technology could also used to provide a low intensity indoor lighting or the transform trees itself powered by the streamlight and reserves. Richard says nanobionic bionic nanobionic nanobionic plants. The plant's nanobionic, a new research area pioneered by the Strano Lab, aims to give the plant novel feature by enabling them with the different types of a nanoparticle. The group's goal is the engineer plant to take over the many function new performed by the electrical device. The researchers have precisely designed that the plant can detect the explosive communicative that information smartphone as well the plant that can monitor through the condition. Lightning, which accounts for about the 20% of the worldwide energy consumed, seems like a logical next target. Plant can self-repair and their own energy, and they are already adopted the outdoor environment. Stelner says that we have we think this is the idea whose time has come, the perfect problem for a plant nanobiolics. To create the glowing plant, the MIT team turned a luciferase enzyme that gives fire files through the glow. Luciferase acts as a molecule that causing the emit lights. Another molecule is called coenzyme, helps the process along by removing the reaction byproduct that can inhibit insufficient activity. The MIT team packed each of these three components into into a different type of a particle carrier. The nanoparticles, which are made for material that you dot as food and drug administrative classifier, the generally regardless as safe, help each component get to the rich part of the plant. They also prevent the components reaching the concentration that could be toxic to the plant. This research used silica nanoparticles about 10 nanometers and diameter, carrying the lucifer and the use the straightly larger particle, the polymer plaga, and the geston of to carry Lucifer crystal A respectively. To get the particular particles into a plant leaf system, first suspended the particular solution plant were impressed in the solution and then they exposed to the high pressure, allowing the particle to enter in the leaf through the tiny pores and stomata. Particles rising Lucifer and the coenzyme were designed to accumulate in the extracellular space of the inner layer of a leaf, while the smaller particle carrying the Lucifer into a make a larger particle gradually release the Lucifer, for, which enters in the plant cells were with the chemical reaction that makes the Lucifer glow. The researcher early efforts at the start the project here plant that glow about 45 minutes, which have since improved to 3.5 hour. The light generally by 110 centimeter. Watercress seeding is currently about the 1000 of the amount is needed to read, but the researchers believe that they can boost the light emitted as well as the duration of a light. Further optimization of a concentration and plant transformation plant transform transformation. The previous effort to create a light emitting plants have relied on the genetically engineering plants to express the genes of Lucifer, but a laboratory process yield extremely dim light. The studies were performed the and uh, tobacco plant, which is commonly used for plant genetic studies. However, the method developed the Strano lab could used on any type of plant. So fast they have demonstrated uh, arugula, kale, and the spinach, and additional underwater case for the future uh, future version of a technology. The researcher hope to develop the way to paint and spread the nanoparticle into plant leaves, and they could be might possible transform tea and the large plants into light source. They can turn large plant into light source. Our target is to perform a treatment that when the plant is seeding, the mature plant have the last lifetime of the plant. Sandro says our work seriously opens up the doorway of the street lamps on the nothing that but the treated tree and the indirect lighting around the homes. Uh, the researchers have also demonstrated that they can turn light off adding nanoparticles carrying a lucifer inhibitor. This could enable the eventually creative plants that shut off the light emission in the response of environmental conditions such as sunlight. And the researcher says they could change these they could change these plants into trees, and the trees can take care of a street as compared to street light. So thank you very much guys, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, comment and share, and press bell icon to my channel Science and Environment News. Also, I'm coming with new stuff every day to make sure you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you.